Hello there, welcome back to the Lumise tutorials add-on bundle series. Lumise here, and today you will learn how to set up the Image Plus feature in just 2 minutes. So, what is the Image Plus, and how does it work? Image Plus is one of the 10 features in the add-on bundles package that allow you to sync your image from social media like Facebook and Instagram. Also, you can use a free resource from Burst, Pixabay, and Unsplash. So with that, let's go ahead and dive right into the Image Plus settings. First, you have the option whether to use the Lumise resource or not. If you want to use, switch to yes. Or if you're going to use your own Facebook and Instagram API, switch to no. As you get more advanced, you can add a new image here by filling on required fields like name and image files. Also, other optional fields like categories and tags will make your pic more detailed, as your customer will find it much easier. Scrolling down, you will see the option to add an extra price for this particular image. And last but very important, remember to activate the image and then save it. And that is everything for the Image Plus. Thank you for watching. Feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Stay tuned for the upcoming videos, and I will see you later.